Welcome to Bug Science! Big, bad, and benefits. Bugs are all around us. What are bugs? Bugs are insects, spiders, and more. Bugs have shells, but no bones. Some bugs bite. Other bugs benefit people. Let's look at 7 types of bugs. 1. Big. Long ago, bugs were very big. They were huge compared to today. This scorpion was over 60 centimeters long. This dragonfly cousin was the size of a seagull today. This spider-like creature was the size of a human head. Like huge potato bugs, these millipedes were over 2.5 meters long. There were so many big bugs that scientists call this time the Age of Insects. Millions of years ago, Earth is very different. The land is covered with these kinds of plants. There was about twice as much oxygen in the air than there is today. 2. Bad. Today, some bugs are bad. Some bugs, like flies, bother animals and us. Some bugs bite and sting. Some bugs cause diseases. Some bugs are destructive. Some bugs, like these grasshoppers, eat our crops. Sometimes, millions of bugs get together. This is called a swarm. Army ants and locusts are examples. But not all bugs are bad. Most bugs don't bother people. 3. Benefits. Many bugs help people. Awesome bees pollinate plants and make honey. These moth larvae make silk. Butterflies are beautiful. Bugs are food for many creatures. Some people eat bugs too. Bugs are nature's recyclers. They eat dead plants and animals and return vitamins to soil that plants used to grow. 4. Bug science. Insects have science inside them. Insects have 3 parts, 2 antennas, and 6 legs. Most insects start as eggs. Many grow into worm-like larvae. Next, they change. Here is a butterfly's life cycle. Insects don't have lungs. They breathe with tubes that connect to each cell. Amazingly, many insects can fly. They have tiny brains that move muscles to control their wings. They fly to find their favorite foods. Hummingbird moths are examples. Some bugs eat other bugs. Some insects live together in cities called colonies. 5. Senses. Look at different types of insect eyes. Compound eyes see the world like this. Insects don't have ears. Many insects have cells that sense sounds. Insects feel with their antennas. Insects don't have noses or tongues. Many do have special cells that sense chemical smells and flavors. Some insects have several tiny brains that control body segments. Insects are born with instinct like knowing what to eat and how to fly. 6. Spiders. Spiders eat insects. Many spiders make amazing webs to catch insects. Spiders are born knowing how to weave webs. Spiders come in many shapes and colors. Be careful because some spiders are poisonous to people. Most spiders don't bother people. Spiders are very beneficial bugs. Imagine how many more insects there would be if spiders didn't eat insects. 7. Others. There are other types of bugs too. Beetles are the most numerous types of bugs. They come in many sizes, shapes, and colors. These ladybugs are good because they eat aphids. Potato bugs have many legs. So do centipedes and millipedes. There are many different types of bugs. To close, fossils show us that big bugs once lived on Earth. Some bugs are bad. They bite, eat crops, or swarm. Many bugs are good. They help plants make crops. These bugs add color to our world. Bugs have 6, 8, or many legs. Bugs are all around us. Bugs show us science. It is amazing how some bugs change from crawling larvae into flying creatures. Bugs sense the world different than we do. There are over 1 billion times more bugs than people in our planet. That is a lot of bugs and loads of interesting science.
See the catalog for more Alfred books. Printed copies are also available on Amazon. Over 4 million free Alfred ebooks and videos have been downloaded. Subscribe now!